Look at that wall of rain coming straight towards me. Now it's lightning. And what does the guy in Tornado Alley do? What do I do? Literally go outside riding my bike in the middle of a storm, a huge wall of rain that's coming straight towards me. Yep. That's me. That's me, a dummy. Can literally get struck by lightning any moment. Any moment I can literally get struck by lightning. And I'm just sitting out here riding my bike in the middle of a freaking storm. Freaking storm. Whoa! That's a big flash. You know what? Yep. Woo, the sweet sound. The sweet sound of lightness, of thunder. Okay, thing is though, I need to, sorry about my fingers, I'm literally holding this one hand. I literally need to get a GoPro. I wanted to do it one, my stupid fingers, sorry about my fingers. Please do it one more time before it hits, cause please, just do it. Look at that wall of rain. Whoa! Yeah. Okay. Okay, the thing is, I should not be under power lines like a dumbass. Because they're striking the power lines. Amateur storm. Hey, look, I'm an amateur storm chaser. I'm kidding. Please do it again. That was satisfying as heck. Dude, screw riding the bike, bro. Screw riding the bike. I want to record this shit. Or crap. Do it again. Please. Jump scare. Damn. Dang. That's a beautiful, beautiful storm. Look at that wall of rain. That's coming towards me too. And I'm far from the house, so I'm gonna have to ride super fast all the way down there. Back to the house. Yeah, I'm just worried I'm gonna catch a cold from this if I get drenched in the rain, whatever. That's what Jonathan does. He's out in this storm. Come on, do it again. I hope it strikes that tower again, the tower, electric tower. Come on. Uh-oh. Yep, I might have to go in. Come on. Do it again, please. Before it starts pouring. No? You don't want to do it again? Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to go because now I can hear the rain. Oh. Yeah, I can literally hear the rain. Alright, that's enough. Okay, that's enough recording. Maybe. Hold on. No? Okay, that's enough recording.